In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a file in Google Drive. This is a handy skill if you're collaborating on a project or handing over responsibilities to a colleague. Let's dive right into it. First, you want to head over to the Google Drive website. Simply open your web browser, type in drive.google.com, and log into your account. If you're already logged in, you should be directed straight to your drive. Take a moment to locate the file that you intend to transfer. Once you found it, right-click on the file. Doing this will bring up a context menu with several options, and what you're looking for next is the Share option. Click on Share. In the Share pop-up window, you'll see options to add people with whom you want to share this file. Type in the email address of the individual you wish to transfer ownership to. It's essential to ensure that the email is correct, as this step is pivotal for successful transfer. After that, you will find a send button in the share dialog box. Clicking this will send an invitation to the email address you entered. But hang on, you're not done just yet. Now, with the share settings in place, you'll want to click Share once more to navigate back to that screen. Look for the drop-down menu next to the newly added person's name, which is likely indicating a permission level such as viewer or editor. Click on it and you'll find an option to assign editor permissions. Next, you need to find and click on transfer ownership. This step is crucial because it changes the file owner, granting them control over its sharing capabilities and visibility. You're almost there, so hang tight. Click on send invitation. This step officially sends the request to transfer ownership to the person you've selected. They will need to accept the invitation to complete the process. Once this is done, a notification will appear confirming the successful send-off of the invitation. Finally, the last step in this journey is to click Done. That's it. You've navigated through the steps to transfer ownership of a file in Google Drive successfully. By following these instructions, you've made it seamless for someone else to take the reins of the file and manage its future. Congratulations on mastering the management of file ownership within Google Drive. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.